PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides reliable heating system repair services in Reading, PA, ensuring your home stays warm, efficient, and safe during the colder months. Our experienced technicians diagnose and fix furnace and heating issues quickly, helping extend system lifespan while improving overall performance and energy efficiency. If you have any questions, please contact our heating system repair service. Are you looking for a heating system repair near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. What types of heating systems can be repaired? Most HVAC professionals can repair furnaces, heat pumps, boilers, and ductless mini-split systems, regardless of brand or model. Is it safe to use my heating system if it's malfunctioning? It's not recommended. A faulty system can pose risks such as carbon monoxide leaks, electrical hazards, or fire. Turn it off and call a professional. What is your service area for the Reading, Pennsylvania service office? Our heating system repair have served Reading, Leesport, Garfield, Burnville, North Heidelberg, Brownsville, Robisonia, Wernersville, Mountain, Temple, Laureldale, Penside, Rifton, Shillington, Baumstown, Birdsboro, Scarlett's Mill, Plowville, Reinholds, Swartzville, Pennsylvania. Where is your Reading, Pennsylvania office located? We are located at 400 Washington Street, number 109, Reading, Pennsylvania 19601. Our phone number is 610-672-3044. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-reading.